This is a setup video for the Archviz Configurator. So in order to add this Archviz Configurator to your project, all you need to do is go to Fab, search for Archviz Configurator, Archviz with a V, not a W. And here it is. Once you buy it and download it, it will be in your library. In Fab library, you can search for Archviz Configurator. Here it is, and you can add it to project. If you don't see it in your library after buying it on Fab, just do refresh here, and it will show up. Add it to a project. If you don't see your project here, your project must be a newer version that I haven't updated yet. No worries, just click on Show All Projects and your project will show up for sure. Then click on your project and Add to Project. I won't add now because I already have added it to my project. In the project, it will appear here in your content browser in Archviz Configurator. Now, in your project, if you didn't apply the Archviz Configurator yet, and you're doing it for like videos and not walkthroughs, then when you hit play, the camera will be just free. It will just fly around everywhere. It's not a walk-through camera. So let's exit this out. In order to start the Archviz Configurator in your project, all you need to do is go to Edit, Project Settings, Maps and Modes. In default game mode, select your BP Archviz game mode. And in game instance class, select Archviz game instance. Then go to this folder here that was added when you added the Archviz to the project. And to the level, drop this master settings in the level, doesn't matter where. It could be anywhere. After doing this, that is all. Now if you play the game, you see you can walk around now. You're not flying around anywhere anymore. And you have all the options of the Archviz Configurator, like the image mode. So you can take this image here and play around with focus, vignettes, whatever. That's it. This is how you start the Archviz Configurator with your project. In later tutorials, I will show you how to do all the other things like create doors, create lightings, and everything like that. But it's very, very simple.